I don't know about you, but I get a lot of stuff in the mail that I just don't want to throw away. I need a good way to dispose of it. So we've gone ahead and purchased a Bonsaii 12-sheet cross-cut paper shredder. We've got it plugged in. It's off now. We're going to set it to auto. All right. The easiest way to do receipts would be to go ahead and put them in with your other stuff. It's I'll show you in a second. Then you put another sheet of paper with it. And then once it's done, so you can see in here, this plastic thing there, this sets it off to turn it on. And now what we'll go ahead and do is we'll turn it off. Safety first, turn it off. And then we will unplug it, and then we will lift this up, and you will see that's what it does. So now your information is just a bunch of shredded papers. And simply put that back on, you're good to go. Check it out.